everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an RSVP link for a Canva design. Let's use this design as an example. Go to Share in Canva, click on See All. Search for Create Cards and click on it. Then click on Save. Click on View in Create Cards. Next, click on Sign In and connect to your account. Continue to complete your information. Then click on Next, Customize. Click on Next, Style, and then Next, Publish. Copy the link provided. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.